Ready to unlock a world of creativity with Adobe Creative Cloud, all thanks to your affiliation with the Riverside Federation. First things first, let's make sure you're part of the Riverside Federation. This access is typically for students and employees. Head to your university's official website, your university ID, or the internal portal where you get your network access, academic resources, and other account management tools. Once you're logged in, search for Adobe Creative Cloud or software downloads on your university's website. Many universities have a dedicated IT or software download page that makes this easier. On the software download page, look for Adobe Creative Cloud. You should see options related to the software, as well as a link to the Adobe portal. If not, follow the prompts for the installation instructions. This portal will check to see if you are a member of the Riverside Federation to access the software. After logging into the Adobe Creative Cloud portal, you should be able to download and install the software on your device. Carefully read and follow the instructions for your operating system. You may be prompted to create an Adobe account, but use your Riverside Federation or student email address during the process. With a working Adobe Creative Cloud version installed, you should have quick access to a range of creative programs, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro. Start your creative journey today. If you encounter any difficulties, contact your university's IT support for assistance, and be sure to tag the video with #Riverside Federation and #Adobe Student.